Hold on to your keyboards, because there's a grammar myth circulating that's not just wrong, it's downright misleading. The rumor? M-dashes in writing are a dead giveaway that AI wrote it. But here's where it gets controversial. This idea has been spreading like wildfire, especially on social media, despite being completely unfounded. Let's dive into why this myth persists and why it's time to set the record straight. For nearly 2 decades, Girl Mignon Fogarty has been the calm, collected voice of reason in the chaotic world of grammar disputes. Through her immensely popular podcast and blog, Grammar Girl's Quick and Dirty Tips for Better Writing, https://quickanddirtytips.com/grammargirl, she's tackled everything from the no prepositions at the end of a sentence myth to the debate over adverb splitting infinitives. Yes, to boldly go is just fine. Her patience and expertise are legendary, so when she says something is worth getting worked up about, it's worth listening. And this is the part most people miss. Fogarty recently took aim at the M- myth after hearing it repeatedly online. She wasn't convinced, so she did what she does best. She investigated. https://grammargirl.simplecast.com/episodes AIM-transcript. While she couldn't trace the myth's exact origin, she found a likely culprit, a viral video from a popular podcast that dubbed M-dashes the ChatGPT hyphen, calling them longer hyphens and racking up 2.5 million views. Talk about misinformation going viral. Remember the saying? A lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is still putting on its shoes? Ironically, that quote is often misattributed to Mark Twain, when it was likely Jonathan Swift. www.nytimes.com/2017/04/26/books/famous misquotations.html. But the point stands. In the digital age, falsehoods spread faster than ever. And as Fogarty explains, the idea that M-dashes signal AI writing, it is just that, a falsehood. Here's the truth. M-dashes, the punctuation marks framing this clause, are not exclusive to AI writing. The notion is almost laughable once you understand how AI learns. As Fogarty points out, AI tools like ChatGPT are trained on human writing. If M-dashes appear in AI-generated text, it's because humans use them. In other words, AI mimics human writing habits, including those of M-dash enthusiasts like Emily Dickinson. https://www.reddit.com/poetry/poem Emily and her iconic dashes. So M-dashes are a poor indicator of AI authorship. Instead of hunting for AI spotting shortcuts, why not brush up on M-dashes themselves? These versatile marks, named for their width, roughly that of a lowercase m, connect parts of a sentence. They're not hyphens, which are narrower and join words or prefixes. M-dashes serve 2 main purposes, signaling an abrupt shift in tone or structure, like, well, this, and setting off parenthetical information, e.g., examples, asides, etc. While they shouldn't replace periods to join independent clauses, that's more of a stylistic choice than a hard rule. Some style guides place spaces around M-dashes, while others attach them directly to surrounding words. Both are correct. If you love M-dashes, use them proudly. But if you're critiquing someone's writing, don't assume dashes mean they used AI. It's an unfair leap. Controversial question. Are we too quick to blame AI for writing quirks that have been around for centuries? Let's discuss in the comments. And while you're at it, share your thoughts on M-dashes. Love them or leave them. June Casagrande, author of The Joy of Syntax, a simple guide to all the grammar you know you should know. Reach her at junetcn@aol.com.